have to have two answers when it's appropriate, okay? And you know now that if I square a negative, I get a positive. Negative times a negative is a positive. If I square a positive, I get a positive. A positive times a positive is a positive. So don't forget your second answer, your second solution, okay? When you get to higher level math, you're gonna actually see a visual of to why we're getting two solutions in these problems. Now let's move on to cube roots. Here we go. So here, I do the same thing as last time. If 5 was added to a number cubed, it gave me 13, and then I can subtract 5 from both sides. I get x cubed is equal to 8. So this is asking what number was cubed to give me 8? Well, I take the cube root. Take the cube root. I know I squeezed that little 3 up in there, but y'all, it's in there. All right, so I get x is equal to, all right, let's think. So I am taking the cube root. Notice, if I take the cube root, what do I need outside of the radical? The 3. Students get so used to just drawing a little radical symbol and forget that they're not all the same. So I must take the cube root by putting the 3 on the outside. Now, so this is asking what number cubed gives you 8? All right, so we know our cube roots. We know that number to be what? 2. All right, so let's look. So we have x is equal to 2. But here's my thing. Let's look again, y'all. Let's look again. So here's the thing. I had a positive and a negative when we took the square root. Okay, so can I have a positive and negative when we take the cube root? So I know 2 times 2 times 2 gives me 8. But does negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 give me 8? Let's look. So I want to see, does negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, does that give me 8? Well, negative 2 times negative 2 gives me a positive 4. And then that 4 times this negative 2 is going to give me a negative 8. Uh-oh, y'all. What's the issue? What is the issue? I only have one solution for cube roots. Because a negative times a negative is a positive times another negative is going to give you a negative. And that is not what we're looking for.
Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools invites you to the graduation ceremony. Audrey Kell High School, class